Hey y'all, coming at you today with a fig tree update on how to ripen figs using an olive oil technique that I read about online, and it appears to be working. So let me show you this. This is my St. Rita, and this fig tree has had figs on it for probably 70 days. All of these figs that are now ripening, I put olive oil on. As you can see, this one is lower than these. And I did not put olive oil on these. They are starting to ripen a little bit on their own, but these I did it on, and it's ripening much faster. And also on this side of the tree, you can see on the ones I didn't put olive oil on that nothing is happening. They're just staying as they were. And we're about to get out of the warm season here in my zone, so I want to try to get these to start to ripen. I don't know what the fruit quality is going to taste like yet. So I'm hoping that it will ripen like they normally would and the fruit quality will be good. And if that's the case, this may be a great technique for short season climates. I'm going to show you a couple more fig trees and the results on my others, as well as this St. Rita. Okay, so this is an Italian 258, and you can see right here, and I hope this comes through. Sorry, let me get this focused. But right here on this fig, on the end of it, I put olive oil, and it's starting to swell. This fig right here is starting to swell as well, and this one right here is not. So same distance between the two on the node of where they were placed on the node, but this one is not ripening and this one's starting to swell, and I put olive oil on this one. I also put it on this one up here, and sorry you can't see that well, it's just shaded from the leaves. This one is starting to swell. This is an Italian 258. I also have a Coldedom Gigantina, which I did videos on. You can see that this one is not starting to swell, but this one is pretty substantially, and I put olive oil on it. This one down here is not doing anything. I did not put olive oil on it. But this one up here is starting to swell, and I put olive oil on it on the end. I just got a Q-tip, I put it in olive oil, and I rubbed it on the tip here, and it's starting to swell. So I would say, based on what I'm seeing, this technique works. I'll have an update soon on the fruit quality on the trees that I put olive oil on, as to whether or not it tastes the same as a naturally ripened fig. Okay, this is also my Black Madeira KK. You can see this fig right here is a bigger fig than this one, but this one is starting to turn colors, and I put olive oil on it. Now, whether or not this thing will swell to the normal size of a Black Madeira, I don't know. But Black Madeiras take a long time to ripen. This one has been ripening for a very long time, or sorry, not ripening, but it set fruit a long time ago. And so I hope this method works, and I can at least get a couple of figs off this tree. Thanks for watching.